sweet pastimes of Krishna are coming. Krishna has become now 2 years. Her mother, Jashoda and Rohini, cannot take Krishna always in house, area. Sometimes naked, 2 boys, moving on this. And they are going out of door sometimes. And seeing anyone, they look like this. And if that person sing towards them, at once running, moving to his mother, and coming, laughing, smiling, as they are seen any strange happening. Sometimes when they become more, they used to go out of. Sometimes bulls were there, very big horns. You have seen the big bulls of Vrindavan, all very big. If they are sitting, without fear, they went to them, both Krishna and Baldev, and began to place with horns, riding on him, here, there, doing. And when Jashoda Maiya saw, oh, what is there? He called Nanda Baba came, and anyhow he brought. Once Krishna and Baldev were playing, there were so many thorns, thorns, heap of thorns. And any creeper of Beli, Chameli, Jui,
go inside through this
thorns, and very beautiful flowers were there, but covered with thorns. Anyhow, Krishna, by trick or anything, he entered in that thorns. And when he entered, the thorns came down, and there was no
way out.
To come out. He took these flowers, but now he was weeping. Mother. At once Jashoda came. Saw that his boy is
trapped.
And there is no way. He began to chastise Krishna. I will not take you. Why you did so? But Krishna was telling mother, and weeping, tears were coming. Anyhow, she took that and took Krishna in his. Sometimes playing with weapons, sword and everything. Sometimes with serpents, snakes. They are giving their hands in the cause of bulls and anything. Dogs, very big dogs, playing with them. So dangerous. Once Jashoda Ma told that, bring a calf, very beautiful calf, today is your birthday. Krishna went and he catch hold of any friend calf. Calf was so beautiful, very strong. Krishna catch hold of his neck and wanted to draw. But there is a nature of them that if you pull him, they will go down.
Other way,
opposite. And if you do like this, they will come opposite. So Krishna was taking that calf to her mother, and he was not coming like this. Anyhow, he brought to his nearer to his home door. And Krishna saw that a butter pot was hanging there. He forgot everything, and water came from his mouth. And he very greedily he was saying, how to take it? But calf was in his hand. At once he stopped the calf and wanted to keep his feet there and to ride. When he did that, and he caught hold of the pot, at once the calf ran away. And he was hanging, mother, mother, mother. Jasoda came with angry. What you did? Why you are hanging on this? Thief, thief, thief. I will never
touch you.
Get down from that. You should hang properly. Mother, mother, and tears were coming. He was not imitating. And some gopis also, they were clapping all. When Krishna became weeping, then he, you should not do further. Be careful for future. Otherwise I will not take you. So Jasoda is testing lives. Sometimes Dukkale Sanghatatan Dulanscha Sanghantayanto Musalai Pramugdha Gayanti Gopya Januta Nuraga Govinda Namo. Govind, all the gopis were clearing wheat and rice by musal, you know, in
Grinder
Mortar.
They don't talk anything. What they do? With so much love and affection. Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti. They are cleaning house by broom. They are doing like, but what they are telling? Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti. Their sons kept in swing,
swing and make them
and
sleep.
doing like thap thap. Oh, you should sleep. Not telling this. What they are doing? Like this doing, but Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti. They are cooking in the cooking room. But what they are doing? Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti. Doing all actions. They are serving their husbands. But what they are telling? Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti. That churning.
Yogurt.
Eh? Dadhi.
Dahi.
Dadi means
Yogurt.
hard. How beautiful gopis, and taking the ropes in him. Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti. In the morning, their boys are weeping, and they giving their breasts in the mouth of their children. Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti. Today one asked me, we are householder, how to do in houses our, how to
Practice. Practice.
no, how to deal with our members and doing all these things, because we are householder, we are married with wives and children. Or for them, I am telling all, go do what? You do anything, but like Govinda Damo, walking, doing any work. Always remembering the pastimes of Krishna. There are some parrots in the case, and telling to that parrot, oh, you should tell like this, Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti Govinda Damo Dharma Dveti. This is the fruit of hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, to be like gopis and gops. And if you are hearing and not doing like this, what should we do in family? How to deal with them? Anything is not bad. Wealth is not bad. Father, mother, children's wife is not bad. Only the cultivation, only the what? To deal with them is bad and good. If are using them in Krishna bhajan, then it is so good. It will be helpful. And if you are thinking, oh, this beautiful lady is my wife, I am master of that lady, then it will be nonsense. I am a very big sannyasi, then after 2 days you will fall down. Don't have a false ego like this. Anything. You should think everything is for Krishna. This beautiful hill, mountain, the children, wives are all Krishna Bhogya.
Krishna's enjoyment.
Not for me. And thus this world will be like Golok Vrindavan. So always you should do what? Govinda When we will go from here, weep and come to this place. Oh, Govinda Damodar was going here so sweetly. So many devotees were present. So sweet Harikatha was going. Remember this and always see me here with all devotees. Like Krishna is here, Yashoda Maya is here, all Brajvasi is here. This is new Braja. Same as Braja. Don't forget me, always see like this. So beautiful. This is beginning. I will have to tell so many things. More sweet, more sweeter. So today, here, Gaur Premanand. Now you will